Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do something with Hot Wheels. So what's going to happen is I send the cars down this tunnel and they go out there and go down, and then start going up, jump, and we're going to try and get them in the water pail. So we're going to try doing...
Let me go and get my cars.
Okay, Mason's going to go get his. Okay, so I'm going to send one of my cars and let's see how it does. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it fell off the track. Okay, so that one came off the track.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try and straighten out the track. Okay, Mason, can you pull the track up while I push some back? Keep pulling. Wait, push some now. Well, stop. Okay, that's good.
Wait, did the track break? I just saw something go up.
It's fine. Okay, so right now, I'm gonna try this again. First, I gotta straighten out the track a wee bit.
There I go.
Don't go. I'm still straightening the track. You're good. That didn't turn out so well. I'm gonna try one more with mine. Good one, right here. I'm gonna send it. Okay.
That's the far one.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it came off the track. Okay, I'm gonna place the camera right above the jump. So you're gonna see the Hot Wheels cars go whoosh. Ready? Okay. Baby,
Whoa!
watch for a Hot Wheels car.
My car went right down the hill.
Hey Mason, come on.
Okay. Hey, when someone gets it and move it closer.
That didn't turn out so well.
I got the same car, but not blue.
It's falling off somewhere. What?
I got the same car, but not blue.
Okay. Okay. Gotta try and straighten out the track. Okay, so I'm gonna try doing this one more time. Okay.
Can I go?
Watch for a Hot Wheels car.
Can I go?
Not yet. Okay, I'm going first with red car. Let's try again. Something. Okay. Okay, try, Mason. Did you see that? Yeah. And
Put the camera back.
hang on. Okay, so I'm gonna try and figure out what's wrong with the track. It's working fine.
Well, it's working fine for my car.
I'm gonna try wetting the car. Okay, now they're all wet. Let's give this another go.
Can I go?
Yep.
Woo! Woo-hoo.
Let me try and... Yep. I got it in, look. Woo! Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna set the camera up. Right here. Okay. I'm ready. Ah, just missed.
Can we move it closer because you got your car in?
Hang on. Try one more time.
Okay.
Okay. That one didn't turn out so well. Okay. So I'm gonna come up here and shine the camera down the tunnel. Ready?
Yep. Oh yeah, 3 ponds.
Ready? Set, go. Okay, so now I'm gonna set the camera up on a different angle for the track. I just gotta find my car. Oh yeah, I went off the ramp. Found my 2, dunked them in water. Let's get down to business.
The water's anymore.
Aye.
Is it ready?
Camera set. Oh no! It knocked the camera right over.
Because the camera can't be there.
Okay. Let's try one of my cars. Woo! Okay. I know Go.
Oh.
Okay. Let's see. Whoa. Fell. Okay. Oh, didn't make it. It stopped like right on the jump. Okay. So now I said send 2 at a time.
Oh, my best hot car.
Okay. Time to send. Look at Mason. Ready? On your marks. Get set, go. So close. I think I need to be moved back a bit.
Oh, get ready.
Go. Just missed it. He actually just missed it. Okay. Time to send one more of my cars. One more time and then I'm ending the video. Woo. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Where'd that go? Okay, let me try sending another one. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Let's try that again. I'm gonna try my one more time, and then I'm gonna go out front and end the video. Okay, time to send it down. Just missed it. Okay, now to clean up all the cars. Grab my favorite too and head up. Okay, this is my Hot Wheels special. Hope you enjoyed. And every day is awesome.